142. I don't know why they use exhaust speed control back then. It's good. These two would work as well. Uninclude 4-speed control because controls need one fan. If two fans in circuit means it's slower than on speed already high for the wall control.